In this gold trade, the market first signals a clear shift in control. Price breaks its previous structure, showing that selling pressure is no longer dominant. Instead of moving higher immediately, the market pauses and creates short pullbacks. This phase draws traders into early positions and builds liquidity below price. Once that liquidity is available, price moves lower to clear those positions. This move is not weakness, but preparation for the next phase. When price reaches a key buying zone, strong demand enters the market. From this area, gold begins a clean and controlled upward move, targeting previous highs. In this video, I will break down this entire process step by step, using pure price action and market structure logic. At the beginning of this chart, the market is clearly controlled by sellers. Price consistently forms lower highs and lower lows, which defines a bearish structure. This structure remains valid until the market does something different. Instead of creating another lower high, price moves upward and breaks above a key previous high. This break is important because it happens with strong momentum. It shows that buyers are no longer reacting, but actively taking control. This moment is called a market structure shift. It marks the transition from selling dominance to buying dominance. After the shift, price does not fall back into the old bearish structure. Instead, it begins to respect higher lows, confirming the change in direction. From this point onward, selling setups lose probability. The focus shifts to buying opportunities at areas where price previously showed strong demand. This structure shift becomes the foundation for the entire move that follows, guiding entries, risk placement, and final targets. After the market confirms a shift in structure, price does not continue upward in a straight line. It first returns to a specific area where strong buying activity previously began. This area is known as an order block. An order block represents the final selling candle before a strong upward move. It shows where larger market participants placed significant buy orders. When price revisits this zone, it is not a coincidence. The market returns to fill remaining buy orders that were not fully executed earlier. In this chart, once price reaches the order block, selling pressure quickly weakens. The candles show rejection and a strong response to the upside. This reaction confirms that the zone is still respected by the market. It becomes a high probability area for executing buy trades with controlled risk. The order block acts as the origin of the move. Understanding this area allows traders to align their entries with institutional positioning rather than chasing price after expansion. After the market shifts direction, price often pauses instead of moving immediately. During this phase, the market creates small pullbacks and shallow higher lows. These movements encourage traders to enter early buy positions, expecting immediate continuation. This process is known as inducement. Inducement is designed to build liquidity. As traders enter early, their stop losses naturally collect below recent lows. In this chart, once enough liquidity is available, price moves sharply downward. This move removes early buyers and triggers emotional selling. Importantly, this drop does not invalidate the bullish structure. Instead, it serves as preparation for the real move. After inducement is completed, price reaches a strong buying zone and reacts upward with strength. This confirms that the earlier drop was intentional and not a change in direction. Understanding inducement helps traders avoid early entries and wait for high-quality execution areas. After strong buying enters the market, price begins to move upward with confidence. As this upward move develops, price approaches previous highs that were formed earlier on the chart. These highs are important because they represent areas where many sell positions have their protective stop losses. They also attract breakout traders who place buy orders above these levels. This collection of orders above the highs is known as buy-side liquidity. The market is naturally drawn toward this area because it provides sufficient liquidity for larger participants to manage and close their positions. In this chart, The bullish move continues until price reaches this zone of buy-side liquidity. This movement is not random or emotional. It follows a logical path toward areas where orders are concentrated. Once buy-side liquidity is reached, the market often slows down or reacts as a large number of orders are executed at the same time. Understanding this concept helps traders set realistic targets and avoid holding trades beyond logical objectives. After the market confirms a clear shift in structure, the next step is to look for a high-probability buy opportunity. Price does not move upward immediately after the shift. Instead, it pulls back into an important buying area. This pullback removes early buyers and collects liquidity below the zone, which sets the stage for a strong move. The ideal buy trade is executed when price reaches this well-defined zone and shows signs of strong buying interest. Entry is placed near the source of the move, which allows risk to remain controlled. Protection, or stop loss, is set just below the buying area to limit potential loss if the market reverses. As price begins to move upward, targets are aligned with previous highs, which act as areas of liquidity and likely reaction points. The trade is not based on guesswork, but on structure, liquidity, and clear confirmation from price action. This disciplined approach ensures calculated, professional execution. If you want to learn more about precise trading and execution, follow Discount Trader. Every master trader was once a beginner who made mistakes and learned from them. Remember, trading is not about instant success, but about patience, discipline, and steady growth. Losses are lessons in disguise. Each trade, whether profitable or not, teaches you more about the market, your strategy, and yourself. Consistency beats perfection. Small, disciplined steps every day build long-term results, far more than chasing big wins or shortcuts. Focus on the process, not the profits. Profits will follow naturally when you follow your plan and stick to proven rules. Patience is the strongest trader's weapon. Waiting for the right setup, avoiding impulsive decisions, and trusting your analysis is what separates successful traders from the rest. Improvement, not perfection, is the goal. Each day in trading is a chance to get a little better than yesterday. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and never stop learning.